Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller at Red Tail Pavilion. You may remember this venue as the Amphitheater at Oak Point Park. So why did we change the name? It all started about 5 years ago. The city created a small advisory team that would work to improve the awareness and use of the venue. Part of their plan was to change the name and install new signs. We discovered not many people are familiar with what an amphitheater is anymore. We had some great suggestions. Plano City Council members decided on Red Tail Pavilion at Oak Point to honor the majestic red-tailed hawk commonly seen at the nature preserve. Red Tail's beautiful outdoor setting makes for an incredible concert experience. It can accommodate up to 2,000 people. If you've never seen a concert here, you don't know what you're missing. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.